Hey, welcome back. So it's definitely been one of those days where everything I have touched I have destroyed on some level. So I figured to get my groove back, let's just put something on here that I don't really care about and try to make something. Have y'all had those days? So she measures what, roughly 11 at the circle. So look what I got in the mail. Whoa! Now that's a pretty cool gift. Got it labeled. That's awesome. It's awesome, so let's give it a shot. Have to figure out how that works exactly, but it loosened up a little bit. Maybe it just needs a little bit of work in order for it to play. But Michael, awesome. Appreciate that, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, so this is going to be a blast from the past. We ain't done this in a while. A couple years anyway. All right, maybe a year. so here she is. A little bit of burning. Not bad for pine. Hey, I want to give a shout out to Michael Trent for sending me this awesome little bowl sanding kit he made. Send it to me. It's fantastic, man. Appreciate it. I'm also going to put some pictures right here or here. There'll be pictures somewhere of Tommy Sawdust pulled out his lathe finally and made a pretty cool little cedar bowl, lidded bowl. So check those out. Again, thank you, and hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day.